What is it?
Recording, it's recording.
Where's my Pepsi? Oh,
Right, so
by the way, that's Pepsi.
yeah, Pepsi, and so far it has kiwi and lemon in it. And there.
And now there's some tapatio.
Okay, so basically me and Christian are spending the night at his house, and we're the only ones up right now. So we can just basically do whatever we want. I'm eating an apple.
Ew.
He wanted it. So?
No.
No. No. No. Yum yum.
Dude, taste this. Taste it. Here. Hold out your
I
hand.
know, that's why I said yum yum.
No, this isn't regular tahini. Just down it. Just down it. Just down it. Just
Wait a
record
minute.
yourself.
I will. Go ahead, put it. That's encouraging.
Bubbles. No, that's from Tapatio. You gonna eat it?
Yeah.
It's hot, huh?
No.
You'll soon find out it's hot.
It's not that hot.
Luckily, we are not out there right now.
Yeah.
How's your banana?
Banana. I really do wonder where you're at no car.
Me too. Is your car
Oh.
still here?
Huh?
If their car's still here, then they're here.
Dude, I'm gonna be so mad if they left. Yeah, it's not hot. It's crap.
First time I tasted it, I was like, fuck, this is...
I wonder what happens if you try it with lemon.
I've already tried it.
Would it taste like crap?
Not so much, but I mean... I can't believe I'm really doing this right now. Sweet but spicy. You...
It's floating.
Smell it.
You go first and then me. Plug your nose and down it.
Oh, that's...
It's full. How much you want to bet I'm gonna throw up in this video? Oh, God, I'm already getting sick to my stomach from smelling that crap. Oh, do you remember when I sneezed the lemon?
I'm gonna die.
Yeah. Alright.
I'm good. Your turn.
You better hold this, dude, because I guarantee you it's gonna come up.
I didn't throw up. I kept it in. I kept it in.
Oh, who says I'm not? Look at that top.
Ew.
How much did you drink? Like this much? Like a little sip?
I got a whole mouthful.
Bottoms up.
Ew.
Oh, that went down. I came back up.
Ew. Ew. I'll let you hold that. Here. I'm gonna take one hell of a big swig.
Hold on. Okay.
We're gonna be doing this right now. Ready?
Hold it, go. Okay, ready, go. Oh yeah. That's Fiesta all over again. I need some normal crap.
Do some of that.
You are horrible. Okay, just so
Wanna
you,
try some?
if you want to make this, get some Pepsi, Tapatio, some banana, that, lemon, and kiwi. Mix it all together and mix
Why are
it
you
good.
talking so like?
What?
Actually, if you think about it, it doesn't taste that bad. It tastes worse.
Yeah, but at first it's.
Okay. Camera's away. Get the cameras away.
Ew, it came out of his nose.
Happy.
Aww. Dude, that would have sucked, Christian.
Oh. Hey, pops in the face.
Yeah.
Do you feel like this piano?
Ew. Ew. Let's go play some Black Ops.
Huh?
Let's go play Black Ops.
I gotta get rid of all those photos. Ew, that looks like what's in the bag.
I'm gonna throw this apple out now.
I need something good. Do me a favor, throw this in the garbage. That's a favorite for me.
Dude, I was already sick to my stomach today.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, cleaning up my system.
Salt?
Heavens.
What's up?
Are you gonna play Black Ops? Or are you gonna play Gears?
Gears.
Yeah, he's gonna play Gears. There's co-op.
Salt?
Clean up. Hey, Vince. Your store's open 24 hours, right? Do you think you can take us to a store? We'll buy. No?
We need 9-volt batteries.
Yeah, we need 9-volt batteries. Or walkie-talkies. And tomorrow we can't get him because he has his tournament.
Yeah, my soccer
He has
tournament
2
tomorrow.
games tomorrow. And then, yeah. So, you can't take us to a store tonight?
What time are you gonna go tomorrow?
What time are you supposed to leave tomorrow?
My game's at 10.
His game's at 10.
What do you need them for?
Walkie-talkies.
Come on, Vince, when you're a little kid,